Namaste. Welcome to Intercontinental Nehru Place, New Delhi. I'm Jitendra Singh Jaswal, and we are about to discover what makes this timeless city so special. Breathe in the fresh morning air at the Garden of Faith. Set between Intercontinental, the Lotus and the ISKCON Temple, it is a quiet, soulful beginning of your Delhi experience. Take a yoga class at Shivananda Yoga Center. With a special session in the guidance of the Ashram Guru, experience one of the world's most ancient form of holistic healing. A healing of mind, body and spirit. A short drive takes you to N Block GK1 Market. Make sure to check out the lesser known upholstery and fabric stores, which stock unique Indian designs. To get an aerial view of this part of the city, Intercontinental Rooftop Lounge is the perfect setting to welcome the falling light of the sunset. There are many dining options in the city. Ancient at the city itself are its recipes. This is aloo gosht, dal and roti. An original from 100-year-old menu that is still prepared at Kareem's. Chor Bazaar literally means thief market. This is a very old poster bed from the Mughal era. It has actually been converted into a table at this intriguing themed restaurant. The speciality here is the cuisine from Kashmir. Find the freshest seafood cooked South Indian style at Swagat. Try not to miss the crab butter pepper garlic. It comes to you, claws waving for approval. Amazing. The Smokehouse Grill is definitely my choice of fine dining. It has the finest collection of wines in the city. Its cuisine is a fusion of a typical steakhouse with novel dining. In Delhi shopping, you can really sample the best that India has to offer. Right next to the Old Fort is the Craft Museum. You can see the original antique displays and you can actually watch artisans making their unique creations. And you can buy them too. Tucked into the backlands of Khan Market is Amrapali. Hi Sonali, how are you?
Both Indian and international personalities use Amrapali jewelry like Naomi Campbell, Beyonce Knowles. We have done jewelry for the movie Troy. In every woman there is a hidden princess, and that is what our jewelry brings out. Another
connoisseur's delight. This one for the taste buds. Regalia offers a range of Indian tea leaves from the gardens of Darjeeling, Himachal and Nilgiris. Going into the walled city is like stepping into a parallel universe. I suggest a rickshaw ride that takes you through its sights, sounds and smells. And ends at the Jama Masjid. You must climb one of its minarets to get a panoramic view of this old city. For a sense of contemporary art and culture, the India Habitat Center would be the place to go. It has a year-round calendar of exhibitions, films, theatre and dance. The center also organizes theme walks around the city. If you want, I can make arrangements for you. Another way to explore Delhi involves a bit of adventure. BR Facilities in the city organizes horse riding lessons and also arranges rides into the Aravalli Hills. I can make arrangements to buy horse riding gear that is at par with the best in the world at very low prices. It was great to have you on this short tour of my Delhi, this dynamic city with an ageless soul. I look forward to seeing you at Intercontinental Nehru Place, New Delhi soon.